Welcome to this guide on widget positioning. Position your widget, whether it's a free gift or a goal-based bar, across the store. This is crucial for creating a seamless customer experience. You can achieve precise widget placement through two methods, using a CSS selectors or the app blocks. We'll explore both techniques to ensure your widgets are perfectly positioned for optimal user experience and conversion. To demonstrate, I have two active promotions: a free gift widget and a goal-based bar. Let's first see how these look on my test store. As you can see, I have enabled these on the product page. Now, let's position them using the CSS selector. First, we need to find the parent class of the widget. As you can see here, the parent class is Product Form Button. I'll copy this and go to the Settings options. In the widget settings, there's a product page selector. I'll paste the class we chose here, starting with a full stop. You can choose to position the widget above or below the selector. Let's position it above and save the changes. Let's check how it looks on our product page. As you can see, the widget is now positioned above the Add to Cart and Buy Now buttons. This is how you can position widgets using the CSS selector. The other method is through the app block. Go to the online store and customize your theme. For instance, if you want to place the progress bar at the top of the product page, you can do it through the Add section. Click on Add section, then App. Scroll down and you'll find Goal Base. Click on it and you'll see multiple offers. For demonstration purposes, I'll go with the goal-based discount. Once you've added it, you'll notice that the goal-based discount bar is now at the top of the page. This is a simple process where you just need to add the app in the section as a block and customize its position as per your preference. Now, let's save the changes and refresh the page. As you can see, the discount bar is now at the top of the page. Thank you. If you have any doubt, connect with us.